Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create studs, or at least the illusion of studs, without actually using studs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. First, I'm going to apply Mini Macaron's Licorice, which is a black gel polish, and cure that in my Macaron LED lamp for 30 seconds in between each coat. Then I'm going to apply Mini Macaron's matte gel top coat to all of my nails and cure that under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. This step is the key because the chrome powder doesn't stick very well to the matte top coat. Next, I'm going to use a medium-sized dotting tool dipped in Licorice, and I'm going to apply dots all over my nail. I'm going to start by applying a vertical line of dots down the center of my nail, and then staggering the next line, and staggering the next line, and so on. Because we're using gel to create these dots, it's going to create a 3D effect and make it look like studs when we're finished. Once I'm done applying the dots to my entire nail, I'm going to cure that under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. To help out with the cleanup, I'm going to be applying some edge perfection all around my nail to prevent the chrome powder from getting onto my skin. I'm going to be using the chrome powder from Mini Macaron's Chrome Manicure kit. This is the best chrome powder I've used, and if you want to see my full review of the kit, I'll leave a link down in the description below. And this is where the magic happens. I'm going to use an eyeshadow applicator to apply the chrome powder, and as you can see, the chrome powder is sticking to the licorice dots, but it's not sticking to the matte top coat. Because we use edge perfection, cleanup is just as easy as peeling the edge perfection from around the nail. I'm going to finish off this design by applying Mini Macaron's gel top coat and curing it under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you want to see my full review of Mini Macaron's Chrome Manicure Kit or see some of the swatches of the polishes that I used today, you can click your screen or the links in the description box below. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!